Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. I'm Nuria. In this video I am going to show you how you can create three different charts in Excel: the line chart, pie chart and bar chart. With example here I have three different data sets or tables. I'm going to use each and to show you how to create different types of graphs. Let's proceed. So in the first example, I have a tennis competition, 3 players, and over a period of 3 months, there is scores of each player. So I'm going to use in this case a line chart to capture or to show the progression of the performance of each player over different months. So using line chart, you can compare how the player has been doing over a period of time. You can see the progress, have they grew or underperformed and so on. So let's do that. To make a line chart, select the whole thing, the table, and then go to insert. Here recommended charts, click on the recommended charts, and then all charts. From here you can choose line chart. Now click on the line chart and then OK. As you can see here, it has added 3 lines showing you player 1, player 2 and player 3. You can add the data. We can scroll this up, move up this one, and you can add data labels by clicking data labels here. So the first, the blue line here is showing for the first player. As you can see, all the data is included. So from here you can see that player 1 has been, his performance has been going down, and then you can see that player 3 has been consistent with the performance. Now let's go to the next chart. In the next example, I'm going to show you how you can make a pie chart. Here, this particular example, it's a monthly budget calculation. So what is the spending in different needs? Okay, so we have food, transport, and so on and so on. Now, let's say you want to have a record of your monthly spending, okay, kept over the year. You want to trace how you have been managing your finance. So the pie chart can help you see over a month or over a year which need or which want took more of your money or more budget. So let's do that. To make a pie chart, I'm going to select this entire table, okay, and then I'm going to go again to insert. You can click on the recommended charts or shortcut here, just click on pie. Then now this will show you the whole pointers included in the pie chart. The pie chart, what it's trying to show us is in percentage, like portions, parts of the whole, how much in percentage it is. So here, for example, the this color here, you can go trace it. It is a course, so the course has taken 57%. Again, here by clicking, you can add data labels and it can show you, or by even going to more options, you can change this into percentage. Clicking here, more options, then you can change this one, show percentage instead of value. So here in percentage, you can see that 57% of your budget spending over the month has been on course. Now with that said, let's continue to the last chart that I want to show you in this tutorial, and that is the bar chart. Here I have ticket sales for a TV show of different kinds of shows over different years, 2021, 2022 and 2025. So here with a bar chart, we will measure the numbers or the figures. So here to make a bar chart, I will select this whole thing and then click to insert. Here recommended, or you can select on one of bar charts. I'm going to use, there are different versions of bar charts. I'm going to use the vertical one. So here you can see again, this is the bar chart. Now here is a bar chart. You can see for each show how much has been the sales. These are the figures or the numbers. You can add the data labels as well here to see exactly the figures. That's it for today. If you found this video tutorial helpful, for more click on subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.